Hi, today I want to talk about a great concept which is cognitive reframing, which is very useful for students, parents, teachers, and even entrepreneurs. So let's see what is cognitive reframing. It's an art of seeing a particular situation in more positive way by taking up a challenge and making it as an opportunity. Let's take three examples which we can see in our daily life from students itself. A student who failed in a math test, he started thinking as a failure in maths. So what and how he can reframe, he can apply the cognitive reframing, he can feel that it is the right time for him to focus on the areas which he is not good at all, so that he can improve himself, so that he can score good marks in the next exam. And the second example, let's take a small student who is not at all happy in his classroom at all. He is not at all convenient or comfortable with his peer group. So how can he feel? He will be feeling very low self-esteem. He will be feeling he is not at all good at all. This moment he can apply cognitive reframing by thinking that there is a peer group which is waiting for him, which can accept him as he is. Let's take a third example. A teenage student who appeared for an entrance examination and failed utterly and was not able to crack exam at this moment. So how does that student can apply cognitive reframing? He can think that he can give more importance in preparing the base concepts, so that when he get into the degree or professional courses, he can score and perform well. So in conclusion, I would like to say that application of cognitive reframing is very important in students' life, so that he can face or they can face any kind of challenge in more optimistic way.